Hi, I'm Susan Hume. I'm a Master of Wine. We are rejudging the high-scoring wines today, and this wine, Catalina Sounds 2024 Sauvignon Blanc, was one of the best for me. It was bright, lively, zesty, very pure, clean, no element of oxidation, super lively, bright, very characteristic of Sauvignon Blanc, this sort of green pea, gooseberry, mange-tout character, lively and exuberant. What more can you expect from a really nice quality Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand? So this one was one of the stars of the tasting.